Not sure what to have for dinner? Let artificial intelligence decide. Here's some different ways to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that has access to a lot of information in the world, and it can make your life a lot simpler. All you have to do is ask. It can be as simple as a book recommendation or something more complex, like a workout routine. It might also have some follow-up questions. It can also create a meal plan or suggest restaurants when you don't feel like cooking. You can get really specific with your questions, and the more thorough you are, the more helpful your response might be. So it's kind of in the name, but ChatGPT is actually quite chatty and likes to give long and detailed answers, but it doesn't have an answer for everything. Just try asking it what the weather is. If ChatGPT doesn't know the weather, how will I find out the weather? Oh, I know. Hey Siri, what's the weather?
It's currently clear and 86 degrees.